Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my checkbook register spreadsheet. So first of all, it shows your current balance at the top, and this is calculated from everything on column J. This will show your total deposits here and your total withdrawals. This is an automatic calculation. Up here at the top, when you first start, you need to put in your starting balance. So if you start with $1, then your starting balance will be $1, and then if you take out money, let's do this. Let's see. Okay, then your credit of $1, and then your balance will be $2. So make sure that when you start that you start your starting balance at something. Okay, so here on the left, it'll show the first entry that you're putting in. We can start over and put the date. So just double click in there and choose the date. You can type, let's do paycheck. Category is income. And then we'll just do paycheck 1. And then we'll do a credit of $1,000. And now your balance is going to be reflected in that. Let's start number 2. Double click and do date. We'll do expense and we'll say it's utilities. And then we'll say that it's the power bill. Delete that, and then your debit, say that's $50. And now that's your balance here. So if you wanted to come in, and delete everything, you could. And then that way, you're starting fresh. You just highlight everything and hit the backspace, and then you're starting fresh. If you wanted to print this out, you could. So you just go to File, Print, Current Sheet. You can do Portrait, and then Fit to Width. You could do Normal. It'll kind of look funky, so make sure it's Fit to Width. And then it'll print all your pages. This has 9 pages, but that way you can print it out and use it that way. And that's it. So if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out and let me know. And I hope you enjoy this checkbook register. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks.